During my time away, I was doing some independent research, and I discovered why Waldo only wears stripes. He doesn't want to be spotted. Hey, how's it going? It's Martin Ross, and today we're breaking down the Jacksons and Mick Jagger's State of Shock. But before we get into it, if you like these sounds, I have all these sounds in my sound library, Zource. The links are in the description. Please hit that like button if you like it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Most important, you're not subscribed and you're watching this? How dare you? How dare you? Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell so that way you get instant updates straight to your device. Let's get into it. Okay, so today we're breaking down State of Shock. Here's a trivia. Believe it or not, Michael Jackson and Freddie Mercury originally were going to do this, but because of tour dates and time, Mick Jagger filled the spot, finished the song. Still great song, one of my favorite songs by the Jacksons. So let's talk about the guitars. So for the guitar, I'm using 2 electric guitars. I have them panned. They're going to use the same notes. The notes that I'm going to be using is going to be a F sharp, G sharp, D sharp, B, and C sharp. So I'll go ahead and play that. I like that. I also added on top, well, on the bottom, I added a lower octave to make it fuller. So we'll go ahead and play that. So the bass follows the exact same note, so I'll go ahead and do a preview on that. Okay, so the next part of the guitars and the bass, they're just hitting this G sharp button. So let's hear that. And I'm playing them all at the same time, the bass and the guitar. Okay, so now our last guitar is a little bit of a lead guitar. It's kind of like a rhythm guitar. It's going to go ahead and it's got some variation. So the notes that I'm going to be using is F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, and C. And it goes like this. Let's hear what it sounds like. Last but not least, our very favorite thing to talk about are the drums. So I have my 2 kicks. Now I have a bottom kick to kind of give it more of a bottom kick, and got kind of a mid there to kind of give it more of a punchier sound. And I have my hi-hat that's just doing eighths. Then I have my sizzles with some 16ths. So let's hear what that all sounds like. Let's play that back. All right, I know this was a short one, but with all the sounds put together, let's hear what it sounds like. Come on! Got our 2 guitars put in there. They're coming in the next one. We're gonna add that bass. And we have our variations on our drums, the hi-hats, doing those 16ths. Now we got our break there, hitting that G sharp. Yeah. Again, variation on the drums there with just 8 hi-hats. Now we're gonna go back to it. Yeah. I love that part. I just like that. All right, now we got that lead. And there you have it, State of Shock by the Jacksons and Mick Jagger. Again, trivia, Freddie Mercury used to be on there. You could probably find that on YouTube, so go look up State of Shock, Freddie Mercury, Michael Jackson's. You should find that. It's pretty interesting. They're not far off each other. Again, Mick Jagger's got that swagger. That's why I love Mick Jagger. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you like it, hit the like button. Most important, leave a comment and check out the links in the description if you like these sounds. I have them there in my sound library Zource. You really want to check that out. Check the link in the description, please. But most important, I know you've gotten this far and you're not subscribed. Why? Why are you doing this to yourself? Treat yourself. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell so that you get further updates straight to your device. Again, I want to thank you all for coming in and checking this out. It's been a minute, but I'm not giving up. Again, I'm working my life around work and doing this, so I'm still uploading as many videos as I can and getting to your requests. So thanks so much for sticking with it. This was Martin Ross breaking it down with State of Shock by the Jacksons and Mick Jagger. Y'all take it easy.